Adsorption of heavy metals from industrial wastewater.
We see what happened.
Basically, most of the factories are producing papers, minings or refining industry, batteries, which release the high level of heavy metals that harm the environment. So, we call this as an adsorption process, where the atoms, ions, or molecules of dissolved solid from the wastewater grips on the surface of solid.
This process is naturally work and is also lower cost, higher efficiency, and simpler to handle. In fact, there are few characteristics of adsorption process. Firstly, adsorption is a reversible process where during the short period it can decrease with the rise in temperatures. Secondly, this process is proportional to the surface area. It also differs with the nature of the adsorbent surface and the substance which be absorbed. Lastly, adsorption also can be categorized into piezosorption, vary the wall force, and chemisorption, chemical bands.
Advantage of adsorption: a long-term treatment and more economical, then well extensive of surface area of adsorbent, then provide safe and productive result. Disadvantage of adsorption: more to higher cost, regeneration of the absorption of specific heavy metal ions. Good adsorbent depend on surface area, chemical interaction, mechanical strength, surface charges, then porosity.
Activate carbon, high carbonaceous material, large surface area, electrical charge effectively. 90% removal of nickel.
Second, sawdust. Efficiency of ion adsorption is copper, zinc and cadmium. And lastly is activated carbon. Its removal of carbon from water with 44.5 mg per gram adsorption capacity. It is more effective in lower pH range and higher temperature of water. Costing of adsorbents. Industrial waste, agriculture byproducts and biological materials are low-cost adsorbent, and in industrial waste available in huge quantities and inexpensive. There are some examples of industrial waste are fly ash, blast furnace sludge, waste iron, iron slags and red mold. Finally, industrial waste is available in free cost but need transportation, laying and rolling costs. Limitation. First, activated coals are banned due to high cost, poor selectivity and regeneration problems. And it also adjustment of temperature for different adsorbents. And lastly is leachability of toxic substance from adsorbents into a treated water.
What are the problems in absorption? The absorption of heavy metal result in formation of black liquid lignin, slag, flue dust, flash ash, blast furnace sludge and red mold. Silicate absorption are difficult to separate from the solution and cause secondary pollution. Sintering is a process to improve the absorption capacity of silicate mineral. Future prospect: bioabsorption technique might be a new best solution for removing heavy metal from wastewater rather than physical chemical method. Modified activate carbon. Modify which magnetic material is discussed to increase the efficiency to remove the heavy metal in wastewater. Exchange its strength to remove inorganic matter in wastewater. Not only our display in the discussion of adsorption of heavy metal industry. So we are Fatih Mila, Fatih Nuliana, Tarmizi, Magat and Anwar. Thank you.